Vande Mataram students, welcome to second standard English class. So here next portion we have the poem How Creatures Move. Here students, creature means the animals, the birds, all the things which exist on the earth, we call it creatures, like wild animals, domestic animals, birds and everything. So let us see the poem. One by one we will read the line and understand the meaning of those difficult words here. The lion walks on a padded paws. The lion walks on a padded paws means lion, a wild animal, how it walks? It walks on a padded paws means students, padded means to travel on foot slowly and paws means lion's foot. How the lion with his paws he walks slowly. The lion, this sentence means the lion with its paws it walks slowly. The squirrel leaps from limb to limb. Here squirrel, it is a creature here. You can look at the images from your textbook. Leaps from students, leaps means it jumps from great height. The squirrel jumps from great height and it from limb to limb means students, here limb means bird's wing. Squirrel is a bird and it has wings and with the help of its wings it jumps from great height. When flies can crawl straight up a wall, and flies what they do? They climb on the wall. Crawl means to climb on the wall. And seals can dive and swim. Here seals which live in the water, sea, and it can dive. Here dive means students, head in the water and arms raised. So what that seal will do? It will dive. It will go inside the water with its arms raised and it will do swimming in the water. Who is that? The seal will do the swimming in the water. The worm he wiggles all around. The worms like earthworm, the small insects which will be there, it will be, here wiggles means students to move with fast movement. We can see the earthworm, how fastly it moves. Fine. So here wiggles means to move very fast. Who will move very fast? Worms will move very fast. The monkeys swing by his tail. So monkeys, how it will swing? It will jump from one tree to another tree, again another tree to another tree with the help of his tail and it swings. It swings from one place to another. Swings means students move back and front, side to side. So back, front, side to side, it jumps from one tree to another tree. So those are monkeys. Monkeys, they swing. Like how we do swinging with our, when we play in the park, we swing with our instrument. So that is called swinging. And birds may hop upon the ground. And the birds, what they do? They do hopping. Hopping means students jumping on one foot. When in the playground we do it. Here, who will hop? Birds will hop. Or spread their wings and sail. And again the birds, one more thing what they will do? They will spread their wings and they will sail. Sail means students to move continuously. When birds fly in the sky, they will move continuously for hours. For many hours they will move continuously with the help of their wings. But boys and girls have much more fun. They leap and dance and walk and run. These are all about creatures. And of course we are also one of the creatures. And what we do, what the boys and girls do, we also make fun. We leap. Leap means here students jump. We jump and dance. We walk and run. So these all are the movements of the creatures. First movement, what is it? Lion. Lion walks slowly with the help of the paws. Second, what is it? Squirrel. Squirrel will move to great height. Will go up in the sky and with the help of wings. Third one, what is there? Flies. Flies will walk on the wall. Next one, seal, which is in the water. It will swim very beautifully. Next we have worms like earthworm and all. They will just move fast movements. Very fastly they will move and enjoy in the mud and all. Next we have monkeys. What monkey will do? Monkey will jump from one tree to another tree and enjoy for themselves. Next we have birds. What birds will do? Birds will hop and fly up in the sky. Continuously it will fly up in the sky. It won't stop for many hours. And what we people will do? We people will jump, dance, leap, run and enjoy our lives. So students, these are all the movements of the creatures which is given in the poem. Try to read the poem and you have written in the classwork also. So what you do today, you just write down these meanings in your classwork and try to understand these meanings and read the poem and try to watch the video so that you can understand the poem better. Thank you.